Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well today. I will do another unboxing. So yeah. So I ordered a few things in Notino, but the main thing that I want to share with you is the makeup set from the Essence. This is Essence. Only the best for you. You are powerful. So yeah, that's the name of the makeup set. And it cost me like 15 euros and 30 cents. And then I have like few items I ordered because they have like some gifts in promotions in Notino. So let's see if they gave it to me and they put it in the box. So yeah, let's do the unboxing now. So I have some biotherm and lancome brands here that I ordered, and also in the Essence I also have a free palette. I don't know how much items you need to purchase to get the freebie, but there was actually like few options which one you want, and I picked the palette. And so yeah, here we are. So here's the box. I can see something. So yes, they gave me the biotherm towel, and I ordered a biotherm aqua glow super concentrate cloth mask that is 35 grams, that is worth 6 euros or 6 euros and 90 cents, and they gave this as a freebie. I don't know if it's still in there. And then I have another one. So here's the aqua mask. That's how it looks like. This is aqua glow face mask, hydration and glow. So yep, it's very good. And I also have this bag. This is, I think, some kind of tote bag. Let me open this so you will see how it looks like. Yes, this is actually big bag. You can actually bring this when you go outside on the big beach or go on shopping. It's cloth and the material is thick. So yeah, it make waves, love water. Biotherm water lovers. So that's how it looks like. Let's actually check the towel how big it is. But it's actually, I think, big enough to bring to the beach. So yep, looks like this is actually big. That's actually nice. It smells good. It doesn't smell like chemical, but it smells good. It doesn't smell bad. So next thing I ordered is I ordered also from Lancome. This I have this rejuvenating and brightening mask with moisturizing effect, 28 grams. So how it looks like. This is hydrogel melting mask, and I ordered this because of the free gifts or freebie. So I have this set of this is Lancome Beauty to Go. Let's take a look of their beauty set. And what are this? So first I have this Lancome anti-stress moisturizing cream gel. This is 15 ml. That's the packaging looks like. This is actually an expensive brand. I'm happy I have it for free. Not really. I paid a lot for the mask. Next is this long-lasting softening concealer with SPF 30. This is in the shade of 0 to beige sable. This is 5 ml product. Like that. Next is this. What's this? Lancome Le Crayon Col, the shade of 01 Noir. I think this is black. Yep, this is kind of like eyeliner. Ooh. I don't have any Lancome brand, but I have like few masks from them. I ordered before. And then I have this Lancome Advanced Youth Activating Concentrate, like some kind of serum. This is 10 ml. This is how it looks like. Nice. Next, did they give me more freebies? No. So this is the Essence Only the Best for You. You are powerful. And let's take a look of this item. It's well packed. Ooh, it's actually a nice color of this box. So I paid like $15.30 and I will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products from this, so it's actually worth it. Though Essence is not is an affordable brand, but still, if you will buy one item in the shop, it's like cost you more than this one of this item value than buying this product. Yeah, and something like that. And I cannot remove the stickers, so let's check this one. Remove this. It's actually like on sale. That's why I also bought it. And this is how it looks like. It's packed in a paper. Yep. So let's check this. So first I have this Essence. It's still cold, fresh from outside. This is Essence banana powder. I don't have this, I think, but I finished one of this powder from Essence. I don't have this. This is the Essence, the blush. This is in the shade 50 Blooming. I think this is too bright for me. It's actually matte. Next is we have this Juicy Plum Essence Shiny Lip Gloss in the shade of Akai 07. That's how it looks like. It's like brown and looks like very pigmented. Next is we have this False Lashes Mascara Dramatic Unlimited Volume. I think this is not waterproof mascara. Next is I have this Superlast eyeliner. This is waterproof. It's actually nice, but I don't like the tip of it. Then I have some lipstick. This is Semi Shine 103 Why Not. I think I had this before. I'm not sure which box I opened. Maybe from the advent calendar or something. And next we have some Essence Blush Brush. I'm not going to open any of this. And then we have this Out in the Wild eyeshadow palette. Let's take a look of this. And this is how it looks like. Ooh. Actually nice color, neutral, nude colors mostly. There's some red, everything you need, and shimmers. There's black. That's all from the box. Next, let's take a look of the freebie that I got. So then, ooh, this is Konnichiwa Tokyo eyeshadow palette. That's how it looks like. Very nice packaging. And ooh, there's also nice mirror on the first palette and also this palette, and this is how the eyeshadow looks like. There's one like different color. So yep, we have this blue shimmer. We have 5 matte and then 4 shimmer eyeshadow. The mirror is actually nice. It's small, but yeah, it's good for the eyes. What else do I have? That's it. Like, I purchased 3 items and I got more freebies. compared to what I purchased. It's actually a good deal. So it's also actually free shipping when I check it online. They actually have more options on the freebie from the Essence. But wait, let me check if there is still available. So right now there are like 4 options to choose from. The Essence Matte Touch Blush, the Essence Sapphire Nail File, and then their nail polish shade, and also their Essence Shine Last and Go Nail Polish in the shade of 64. And then the eyeshadow palette is still available in the online. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you'll have a great day and see you again. Bye bye.